The Zimbabwe Electoral Commission (ZEC) has officially endorsed the nominations of 8 members from the Citizens Coalition for Change (CCC) put forward by Sengezo Tshabangu to assume roles in the National Assembly. Welcome back to Zim News Live, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. The appointed senators are as follows: Mlilo Lillian, Pulu Kukaka Ivumile, Sibanda Linda, and many others. This decision, set to come into effect on March 1st, 2024, was officially communicated through General Notice 293 of 2024 in the Government Gazette by the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission. This political announcement serves to inform citizens of the successful nomination and subsequent approval of Tshabangu and the aforementioned 8 individuals as senators. The swearing-in ceremony for the newly appointed senators is anticipated to take place in the upcoming weeks. This is the shocking event that happened, and it seems people are not happy on the self-imposed Secretary General, Sengezo Tshabangu. So please let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.